Hello, teacher. Today I talk about my ideal workplace in the future. After graduating, I want to work at a couple company in Hanoi. The reason I want to work here is because of the high salary. Couple company has a land canteen and a gym for physical training. In my provide workplace, I want to have a photocopier, a line desk, a laptop, and a filing cabinet. As for salary, I want to is uh, $10,000. I want to have 30 day of annual annual list and the company provide free guests and no overtime. In short, I want to work in a company with full facility, attractive salary, and friendly working uh, environment. Thank you for listening.